I hate physics. There are moments when it just doesn't make sense to me. There's too much to understand, too much that I do not know, too much that I never will. Maybe some things are better left unknown.
On almost all my exams, I would doodle on the diagrams of each problem, turning fulcrums into handlebar mustaches, the lengths of shadows cast by standing objects into race cars, the circumference of planets into eyeballs, which were originally boobs, but I knew where to draw the line when it came to excessiveness. But screw physics, I don't get it.
I once ate a personal pizza.
And by personal pizza,
I mean a large 2-topping hunk of pan-fried dough with 6 blended cheeses and tomato sauce dribbling off the crust, because any pizza is personal.
if you believe. What I didn't believe is that when I checked the scales the night after, I ended up losing a tiny bit of weight. It does not make any sense. The laws of this world do not apply to me. I should be taking up a noticeably larger amount of space, see, neither do I understand the variable of time. To this very day, I am still the child soaking in the rage of a household prone to entropy. I do not know how many decibels it takes for angry human voices to pierce through the several layers of drywall, flesh and bone. I do not know how tall my parents are, nor do I know the lengths of their shadows. There is not enough information. I do not know how much potential energy is stored in the arm as it is cocked back behind one's shoulder. I do not know how to properly calculate the acceleration of my father's arm when it swings 110 degrees of a circle and makes impact with the side of my mother's head. A striking image, moving at the speed of light, optic nerves flipping my sight upside down, wrong side up, right. Why can't I doodle over this problem? I do not know how many units of force it takes to cause socked feet to slip on a cold hardwood floor. From underneath her, I still see her, falling in slow motion. Time, space, and gravity mercilessly enforcing their unjust laws. I do not know the velocity at which she falls. I do not have enough time or information to calculate how much time I have left to catch her.
She hits the floor with a sickening thud that no child should ever have to hear. To watch, to remember, to learn. That Newton was fundamentally wrong. That sometimes an equal and opposite reaction does not exist. I hate physics. There are moments when it just doesn't make sense to me. There's too much to understand, too much that I do not know, too much that I never will. Maybe some things are better left unknown.